Good morning everyone. Today we are going to see different kinds of programs. So today, first of all, I have written one series in front of you. We have to find the sum of the series. See, this series is starting from 1 and it should be added up to the n, and then we have to print that sum. And in the board examination, you will be having different kinds of series in the menu driven program or in the function overloading. Let us solve this program. First of all, we need to have a import java.util.star because we have to input the n. After that, we will give the class, then declare those variables which are required int I, comma en. As well as the sum is also to be accumulated. So declare the variable sum is equal to 0. Void main, give the scanner class, scanner sc is equal to so and so, giving the message SOPLN, enter number. We do not know how many times how to be printed. The n we have to input. N is equal to sc dot next end. Now go for the series. For I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus sum is equal to sum plus I. The loop is closed. When the loop is over, you may print SOPLN. The sum is plus the variable sum. Main is closed. Okay, and then we are closing the class. Let us see how this program is going to execute. See, int I, n, and sum. These are the three variables required in the program. We are just declaring them. Then within the main, we gave a scalar class, then asking for inputting the number. Once the user is giving the number, we run the loop from 1 to that particular n. What is that n? N is the last term. One by one, all the numbers are to be added. All the natural numbers from 1 to the n are to be accumulated, added together, and the sum is to be printed. So we are starting the loop I with 1. Once the I is taking a value 1, it goes to check the condition. I1 is less than the n, just assume n is 10. 1 less than the 10 condition is true, so the 1 is added there. What happens next? I will get incremented, I will become as 2. It checks the condition whether 2 less than 10 is true. Yes, since it is true, it is adding the present value of I, the 2 along with the sum. Again, I incremented, I became 3. 3 less than 10, it is true. That 3 also will be added, and I became 4. 4 less than 10 is true. 4 also will be added there, and the loop will go on up to where? Up to the end. When this loop is over, when the condition is over, when the I goes more than the n, the condition will be false and we will come out of the loop. When we come out of the loop, it prints the sum along with the message. And then the main is getting closed as well as the class is getting closed. Okay, I hope you understood. Okay, now let's see another one series. 0 plus 3 plus 8 plus 15 etc. up to n. Okay. Now, when such kind of a series is given to you, you have to find out the relationship between those digits. See, 0, 3, 8, 15. Is there any relation between these digits? Yes. This is 1 square minus 1. 2 square minus 1. 2 square is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 square is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. 4 square or 4 to the power 2 is 16. 16 minus 1 is 15, etc. So, what we have to input here? Only the n we have to input, because up to how many times we have to go, that is unknown. So, you have to input only the n as we did in the previous program. Okay. So, we declare the variables int I comma n comma as well as the sum. Then n is equal to sc dot next int. Afterwards we are giving the for loop for I equal to 1 up to where we have to go? Up to the n square or up to the n, or I less than or equal to n I plus plus. Okay, now here you may give sum is equal to sum plus math dot POW of I comma 2 minus 1. What is math dot POW? POW function will calculate the power of the given variable. The first one will be the base, second is the exponent. So if 2 comma 3 is given there, it means 2 into 2 into 2. 3 times it is added, so we will get 8. So that kind of a calculation we have to do here. Now you can see sum is equal to sum plus math dot POW of I comma 2 minus 1. What is the value of I? 1. 1 comma 2 means 1 square. 1 square minus 1 is 0. 0 is added. Next, what will happen? The I is getting incremented. I became 2. Checking 2 less than the n. Just assume n is 50 or something. Yes, 2 less than 50 condition is true. Sum is equal to sum plus math dot POW of I comma 2. What was the value of I? I is 2. 2 to the power 2 minus 1. 2 to the power 2 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 is getting added. See, according to the question. Again, I became 3. Checking whether 3 is less than 50. Condition is true. Sum is equal to sum plus math dot POW of I comma 2 minus 1. What is I? I is 3. 3 comma 2 means 3 into 3 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 is added there. See, the required 8 we got. This will go on up to n number of times. When we reach our target over, the n is getting over, means our I is getting more than the n, the condition becomes false, we will jump out of the loop. There what we will give? We will give the printing of the sum. Sum is plus, the sum will be printed. And as usual, main will be closed and the class will be closed. I think you understood.